Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to introduce you to a really handy tool that will make your Unity workflow much smoother. It's called Smart FBX Exporter, a simple yet powerful tool that lets you export selected objects from your Unity scene directly to an FBX file, complete with all their original materials and textures. So how does it work? Let me walk you through it. Step 1. Install the FBX Exporter package. First things first, you'll need to have Unity's official FBX Exporter package installed. Just head over to the Package Manager, search for FBX Exporter, and install it. Don't worry, it's free and provided by Unity. Step 2. Download the Smart FBX Exporter package. The link is in the description below. Once downloaded, simply import it into your Unity project. Step 3. Select and export. Now for the fun part, go to your scene and select the objects you want to export. It could be one object or multiple objects. The tool handles both perfectly. Then, navigate to the top menu, click on Tools, Smart FBX Exporter, Export Selected. A dialog will pop up asking you to choose an output folder. Pick where you want to save your files, and that's it. The tool will automatically create a clean FBX file with your selected objects, preserve the original hierarchy and world positions, copy all associated materials into a Materials folder, copy all textures into a Textures folder. Everything stays organized and ready to use in other software or share with your team. No more manually hunting for textures or fixing broken material references. This tool does all the heavy lifting for you, fast, clean, and hassle-free. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Unity tips and tools. Got questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.